Welcome to the how-to video for installing and using VmWare. Here I am at my Canvas page, and if you want to read the instructions, we could go right there to the VmWare Quick Start page, or we could take my link and go directly to our VmWare. So we're going to open in a new window, and we're going to find our operating system. Mine is Windows. I'm going to go to Downloads, Download Now. And I'm going to open it. I'm going to select Yes and agree and install. Once it finishes, we're going to get a success, and we're going to go ahead and restart. Okay, once it's installed, we're going to go ahead and click on the icon, go to VDI Los Rios, enter your password, and then put login.